Not everyday may taong magpupush sa'yo. Not everyday may makaalala kung gaano ka kapagod. At hindi rin araw-araw may magtatanong kung okay ka pa ba. Sometimes, it's just you. Ikaw lang mag-isa habang tahimik yung paligid. Ikaw lang lumalaban kahit walang nakakakita. And honestly guys, that's one of the hardest battles in life. Yung kailangan mong i-motivate yung sarili mo kahit drain ka na. Kahit wala kang energy, kahit parang gusto mo na lang huminto. Minsan, gigising ka na lang sa umaga na parang wala kang gana, parang pulit-ulit na lahat, some problems, some pressure, some silent battles. But deep inside, alam mong hindi ka pwedeng sumuko because you have dreams. May mga pangarap kang ayaw mong iiwan, may future version ka sa sarili mo na umaasa na kakayanin mo. So even when nobody claps for you, keep going. Even when nobody notice your effort, keep moving. Kasi hindi lahat ng progress nakikita agad. Sometimes the strongest people are the quiet ones. Yung mga taong umiiyak ng tahimik pero lumalaban pa rin sa kinabukasan. And I realize something, self-motivation is powerful. Kapag natuto kang i-push yung sarili mo, kahit walang support, doon ka mas matibay. Learn to motivate yourself kasi hindi habang buhay may taong nandyan para buhatin ka. Darating yung araw na sa sarili mo na lang yung talaga yung kakampi mo. You have to become your own reason, your own strength, your own comfort, and your own reminder na kaya mo pa. Kahit mapagal ang progress, okay lang. Kahit mapagod ka, okay lang. Ang importante, hindi ka tumitigil. One day, your everything struggling for right now will make sense. And someday, you'll look back at this version of yourself, the tired version, the silent fighter, and you'll say, buti hindi ako sumuko.